Not everyone knows about all the amazing uses and benefits of vinegar, so we are here to show you how you can easily use this ingredient in the toilet too. So here are a few properties which make vinegar irreplaceable for every toilet. Stop spending money on unnatural chemicals to get rid of germs. Instead, try pouring vinegar on them. The acetic acid in the vinegar will stop the growth and will not damage as well. The next time you notice a ring around your toilet, don't reach for a bottle of smelly chemical cleaner. Instead, look to your pantry because you can use vinegar to clean your toilet. That's right, this pantry staple that costs just pennies per use is an all-star in the cleaning world, even on toilets. How to use vinegar to clean your toilet. Whether you are doing a weekly cleaning or need to clean after weeks of grime have built up, vinegar can clean your toilet easily. First, be sure to choose white distilled vinegar. Don't use apple cider vinegar. The brown color could stain your toilet. Sure, it will clean just as well, but you don't want to have to worry about staining. Next, fill a clean spray bottle with white vinegar. You could just pour from the vinegar bottle, but you'll use a lot less with the spray bottle. You'll also be applying the vinegar to the entire inside of the bowl and spray on targeted areas. Spray some white vinegar inside the toilet bowl and let it sit for a few minutes. I usually let it work for at least 10 minutes. You can also let it sit for several hours or even overnight. You can even just pour the vinegar into the toilet bowl's water and let it sit. This is especially effective if there is a toilet ring at water height. I've done this when we leave the house for a while. Use vinegar to clean your toilet. It's non-toxic and natural, costs just pennies, and it's easier than you might think. This green cleaning hack deserves to be a part of your cleaning routine. When it comes time to scrub your toilet, use a toilet brush dipped in the clean toilet bowl water, then start scrubbing. You will be surprised at how well the grimy mess comes off after soaking in vinegar. Still got some stubborn stains? Try the vinegar one more time. If it still doesn't work, then consider a hydrogen peroxide-based bleach or a non-toxic toilet bowl cleaner product. This is the one that I use when I don't use vinegar. Worried about how well vinegar can kill germs? The acidity in vinegar kills germs, bacteria, and mold on contact. Vinegar can be used to clean so many things, including using vinegar to clean a shower head and even using vinegar to kill weeds outdoors. While television commercials would have you believe that you need harsh chemicals to disinfect your toilet, a healthier alternative of white vinegar will work just as well. I've never been too sure why people are so ridiculously worried about clean toilet bowl water either. What are you doing with the toilet bowl water to need it to be so freakishly germ-free? Kill germs when you can, but why are you so concerned about water you never touch, would not wash your hands with, won't touch your body, and doesn't come out of the toilet under most normal daily conditions? And you won't be flushing your hard-earned dollars down the toilet either when you use vinegar to clean your toilet.